Hello family and friends, I am so glad you're joining me today. I am going to make a cornbread that I've been making for decades. It goes really good with chili or stew. Been real popular in our family, and I've been asked to make it repeatedly. Anyhow, today I'm going to make it a little bit different. I am going to use avocado oil and I'm going to cook it in loaf pans. Typically I use my Wilton 11 by 15 pan, but I'm going to mix it up today. So I start with 3/4 cup of sugar, and I add typically a half a cup of canola oil. But as you can see, today I have added avocado oil. And then I add 2 eggs and get that mixed up really well. Once that's been incorporated, I add the flour and I'll mix that, and then as it's almost done, I will incorporate the 3 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt so it gets spread throughout the whole batter. Once all of that is combined well, then I add 1 cup of milk, a little at a time, so it doesn't get splashed all over the place. So after the milk has been all incorporated, then I add 1.5 cups of yellow cornmeal. The batter will start to get a little thick, but that is okay. And the next ingredient is my secret ingredient. I add 1 can of Mexican corn, and oh my goodness, with the little peppers in there, with the little red peppers, and it just makes it really good. And the sweetness of the corn just changes it, takes it to another level. So once I get all that mixed up, I will, like I said, typically pour it into my Wilton pan, which is 11 by 15, and I do grease and flour the pan. But today I'm using 2 loaf pans, and I put them in an oven at 400 degrees, and I will bake it for about 30 minutes. And it's done when a toothpick comes out clean. With the canned corn, I do drain it, just so that you know. And it can be regular corn, it can be a Southwest corn, it can be a Mexican corn, whatever you want to use. But do be sure to drain it before you put it into your batter. And once it's done, you can serve it warm with butter, or with honey, or with honey butter. It's just all really very good. Anyhow, I do hope you enjoyed this recipe, and thank you for spending the time with me, and make it a gorgeous day every day. Bye!